Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I was about to do my nails using my Gelish soft gel tips. If you guys didn't see my last video when I was using these, I was saying how much I love them. So this will be my second time using these. But I had got a comment on the video I did of this Dollar Tree mini gel lamp, telling me to test it out, which I was supposed to do, and I just completely forgot that I had it. So, since I put these tips on with the nail glue that you have to cure, I'm going to test one or two with this lamp and see how long does it take for my nail to stay on, because it works fairly quickly when I'm using my regular nail lamp. Even my mini fast cure lamp, it doesn't take a long time for the nail to stick to my nail with the nail glue on. So I am going to see how long it takes using the mini gel lamp. So I'm going to go ahead and get all my sizes picked out right now, and I will be right back to show you guys how this works. All right, y'all, so I have my nails all prepped. Prepped and ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the Dollar Tree lamp first. I'm going to go over them with an alcohol prep pad just to dehydrate them a little bit more. I need my primer. I'm going to put some primer on just to make sure. I don't want them too slippery to where they're just going to pop off in a day or two. I want them to adhere really good. So this is the gel nail glue. I'm going to start with the pinky. I'm going to turn it on. Okay, I think I got it under there pretty good. It's kind of hard to hold it in place and get under these lamps. Hold on, y'all. I'm wiping some of the excess glue off the side. Okay. So now that it's kind of in place, I can kind of hold it. I like to go under too. It's on there. Underside a little bit more, but so far it worked. I'm gonna go ahead and do the next one and use this. I think I might turn it like this so it'll be a little easier. Yeah. Y'all, I am in my car because I'm sitting here waiting on my hubby, and I had to stop the video after I polished my nails. So I figure since I'm sitting here bored, I might as well show you guys how they turned out. But with using the Dollar Tree UV gel nail lamp. It worked great on you know, applying the nails with the gel nail glue. So the next test, like I said, I'll have to do is test it with the gel polish, because I'm not sure how it's going to work. But I polished them with regular nail polish. I did this really pretty teal color. It's an OPI that I got at Dollar Tree. I don't think I've shared this color with you guys yet. It's in part of my collection that I am going to share with you guys in hopefully the next video. And then I did like this purplish bluish color. It's one of my paparazzis I've used before. I just wanted to do something a little different. I was going to decorate them, like either do some stickers, some glitter, or some rhinestones, but I just didn't have time. I had to leave, so I only had time to polish them. I have a couple imperfections on them because some of the glue, you know, squirrels out on the sides when I had them under the lamp. I had too much glue, so some of them look a little funny, but I'm liking the color. I cut them really short. And yeah, that's how they turned out, but they're on there nice and tight, so we'll see how long they last before I break them, and I'll have to update you guys on that part. But yeah, I didn't even get to do my nails for my birthday, you guys, which was a couple days ago. I just did not have time. I had started prepping them and manicuring them and stuff, and I just did not have time to do my nails, which sucked. I went out to eat and everything with my nails not done, and it just felt so weird. They were naked. I didn't even have nail polish on them. I wanted to try to throw like some glitter on my nails just to put something on there that can dry quick, and I just didn't have time. So I didn't even have a chance to do my nails for my birthday. Today is Monday. My birthday was Friday, y'all. Oh my gosh. So all weekend, my whole birthday weekend, I was nailless. But yeah, I hope you guys like them. Love this color. When I get home and go inside, I will show you guys the colors that I use and the names. Here is the two colors I used. I think I said OPI. It's not OPI, it's China Glaze. I found China Glaze at Dollar Tree. I don't know why I said OPI. But the color is Wait and See. And the other color I used was by Paparazzi from CVS. And this one is called Wave Rider. And then I just put on my regular CeraVe top coat. I used my cute little Twixie hinge to hold my polish in. So yeah, you guys, that is it. Like I said, make sure you guys keep an eye out for the video where I will use this mini gel UV lamp by, I guess, B Color that I picked up from Dollar Tree. If you guys are interested in seeing if it does dry gel nail polish, it did do a good job with the gel nail glue. And yeah, I'm very, very pleased with that. And it worked quick too. It didn't take a long time. And these are the tips I have on there from Sally Beauty Supply, the Gelish soft gel tips, up to 21 days of wear. You get 110 tips in here, and they're medium coffin, but I did cut mine down pretty short. They're much longer than this. So yep, that's it, you guys. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you click that subscribe button, turn your notifications on, and I'll see you guys in the next one.